Immerse yourself in the symphony of nature. Observe the intricate patterns of leaves, each one a unique masterpiece, crafted by the unseen hands of time. Feel the rhythm in the swaying of branches, dancing gracefully to the tune of the wind. Bathe in the play of light and shadow as it paints an ever-changing canvas on the foliage. Now close your eyes, listen. Hear the rustling of leaves whispering secrets of the forest. Tune in to the chirping of birds, each song a story of their journey. Let the gentle flow of water soothe your spirit, or the distant waves crashing on the shore remind you of nature's unending symphony. This is the world around us, a melody of life and beauty. So take a moment, breathe it in, and remember, nature is not just a place to visit, it is home.